Having issues booting into Windows after deleting Linux partition? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you have been running a dual boot system and then decide to delete your Linux partition and encountering error like GRUB rescue or no boot device found, here is what to do. Let's get started. Method: repair Windows boot issues using command prompt and recovery tools. First, boot up your computer using a Windows installation USB. Go to repair your computer, then troubleshoot, then command prompt. Over here, run these commands one by one. bootrec/fix mbr, bootrec/fix boot, bootrec/scan os, bootrec/rebuild bcd. Once done, close the command prompt, restart and check if you can boot into Windows. Alternatively, you can also run automatic repair. To do this, go to repair your computer, then troubleshoot, then startup repair and let Windows handle the issue. If repair attempts fail, you will need to connect your drive to another computer or boot into a live Linux USB to back up your important files. And then perform a clean install of Windows. Why do I get access is denied when running bootrec or fix boot? On some systems, especially with UEFI and GPT disks, bootrec/fix boot may fail with the access is denied error. In that case, you can try these steps instead. Run diskpart, then run list disk command, then cell disk 0, or whichever contains Windows, then list vol. Identify the EFI partition, usually 100 to 300 MB, FAT32. Assign it a letter with assign letter equals Z:exit disk path. Now run bcd boot C:/Windows/S Z:/F UEFI. This should recreate the EFI boot files and restore boot functionality. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.